How's it?
How's it, Mish, is that you?
Oh, it is me, my boy. What's up? What can I help with this time around, man?
Slightly, I've missed you, bro, and I just thought I'd let you know that my girl and I, my shorty and I, we're having a young one coming soon, eh?
Is it, dude? What's going
Oh,
on, man?
no, listen, he's get it on the DL, but we're gonna tell the people now. But just thought I'd let you know because there's a baby shower coming up, eh?
Is it? I'm invited. Oh,
Flat
what a
out,
man.
my
What
bro.
a bloke, man.
Oh,
How's
we couldn't not have you there, eh? Sure, but
Oh,
I
yeah,
tell you, we're even gonna have a gender reveal, my bro.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, lucky, man. We're having a bride, a couple of books with the eyes and having a good time, you say.
Yeah, don't forget to bring us a pack of nappies, eh?
No, I'll be
Jeepers.
there. I'll be there. GD's there, man.
Oh, that's
Okay,
some.
cheers, Papa.
Cheers, bro. I'll check
Cheers,
you, eh?
man.
Yeah, man, dun.
Who?
Yan, man.
I'm trying to
June, man, June. Eh? No, no, zindaba ezivuthwe ezi. Baby shower. Baby ntoni? Zange ndimenyanga mfoni. June kanti ibinguwe lo bethethe efonini. Mfondini, sinjani isixhosa sakho? Uzokukhumshisa apha ngodidizani. Kwenzekani? Kanti ngulowa besithi ngumhlali wena. Hayi mfondini, kufuneka uzazi uba ngubani kaloku. Uzazilibala wena ukuba ngobani ke ngoku. Izoba nguwe lo lila xa kuxhelwayo ekhaya ke ngoku. Kaloku inguwe loo nje kuye ndithi mani khawusapha le nimela uyazi into yenzayo apha mfondini. Hayi, kaloku umihlali funeka umshiya apha eKapa sizogoduka nomihlali kaloku thina. Yabo? No, yeqonce mfundini. Hayi man, masilumkele apha manene. Thini madoda?